So hello guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new Google Pixel Fold and we're comparing its camera against another popular foldable, the Oppo Find N2. So which one has the better camera? That's what I want to find out with this comparison, especially for video recording. So this is what 1X looks like on the main camera on both phones. So let me flip these two around. So you see my view here. Okay, and let's walk to get a sense of the video stabilization. Both seem to do a pretty good job. So let's see how these react to changing light. They should transition smoothly. Now you can also go ultra wide on both phones to get a wider perspective. And the quality also looks quite good on both, at least here in the viewfinder. I'm sure you will be able to see this better. Alright, back to 1X. It's a bit hard to zoom with the Oppo, so I'll just show you 5 times zoom on the Pixel Fold, and we do not have a zoom camera on the Oppo Find N2. So zoom quality, let's try and zoom in 5X. We have 5X on the Find N2 and 5X on the Pixel Fold. Quite the difference, right? So hello guys, now we're shooting at night with the Oppo Find N2 and the Google Pixel Fold. So let me know which one does better, and it's a bit hectic with the music, but it is what it is. So let's flip the phones around. And this is the picture that you get on both of them. Alright. It's pretty dark out here, but there are some lights, so it's not pitch black. And it seems, at least here in the viewfinder, that the Google Pixel Fold does a little bit better, bringing out those shadows. Let's walk a bit. Both have pretty good stabilization, it seems. And if you point them towards the night sky and towards the light, you see it's getting pretty difficult. Which one you think does a better job? Let me know.